Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to see pending Robux. Okay, first things first, come to the Roblox website just like so. To quickly explain what pending Robux is, it is essentially an anti-abuse measure implemented by Roblox. In case a transaction encounters any issues, Roblox can put the Robux on hold. Currently, the shortest pending period for Roblox is 3 days, and it can extend up to 30 days. This means your Robux might take up to 30 days to become available in your balance. To check it, go to the top right of the Roblox page and tap on your Robux balance. This will display your balance and the option to buy Robux. To view your pending Robux, tap on the lower balance amount. This will take you to your Roblox transactions page. There are options for a summary and date range, but focus on the incoming Robux section. At the bottom, there's a section called Pending Robux. When you hover over it, it will display pending Robux are not included in your total until released. You might see a value indicating how much Robux is pending. However, this is a waiting game. You just need to wait for the pending Robux to be added to your balance, and once it's added, you can start using it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now see pending Robux. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.